Hey guys, welcome back to the Vol Consumptions. Today we're gonna be making fresh tomato juice. You will need just one tomato, a tablespoon sugars, crushed ice, cups, knives, and cutting board. Okay, so now we'll be just cutting through it. I'll be back after I finish cutting. Hey guys, so we're back after you dice up the tomatoes. You just put into the cup. Dice up small. And this is like, it'll make like a nice refreshing drinks, like, or when you're feeling sleepy, no energy, drink this and eat this. It'll be really good. You feel refreshed. And this is like, all it takes like one tomato. It's very simple, easy to do. And then so it could go down, get the juice out. Okay, almost done right there. There you go. That's it. And just use the same knife. Just do this so it can cut it up easier and make more. So you can get the juice out. Juice out. Then after that, put in a tablespoon of sugars. Stir it up. Squeeze it down there. And put in some crushed ice. Now wait for a little bit until it gets cold. After you mix it in, get the juice out of it. And take a bite out of it. So hard to get it. But it's like that. Oh my god. That's good. Anyways, that's it.